You are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be solving a question of West African Examination Council, December 2014. The question is popularly known as GCE. So, and the question is on conversion of plane figure. In the question, we have an irregular pentagon, PQRS, which has its side PQ. Side PQ, let's write the parameter PQ to be the same thing as TS and equal to 60. Then side QR to be equal to 50. Then PT to be equal to 40. Then angle PQR to be equal to 30. Then angle QPT to be 100. QPT to be equal to 100 degrees. Finally, angle PTS to be equal to 120 degrees. And the first part of the question is to construct the given pentagon. Construct the pentagon. The second question, which is B1, to convert the pentagon to a triangle of equal area. Convert to triangle of equal area. Then the second part of that B2 is to measure the length of the base and height. Measure the length of the base and height of the triangle. So then the next part of the question, which is C, is to convert the triangle to a square of equal area. Convert it to a square of equal area. And the final point, which is C2 is to state the length of the side of the square. Length of side of square. So how do we start? We start with the first part, which is to construct the pentagon. It is A and pentagon. So how do you do it? You start, draw a horizontal line like this, pick a point. Let's say this is point P. And what is our PT? Our PT is 40. So you measure 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 is here, that is T. And what is angle P? According to the question, angle P, that is QPT, is 100. Or better say, let's make our QP the base. Let's say this is QP. And QP, that's PQ, is equal to TS and equal to 60. So we measure 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 is here. That is QP. Now what's angle Q? Angle Q is 30 degrees. So at Q you measure 30 degrees, 10, 20, 30. 30 is here. And we have our QR. What's our QR? QR is 50. So you measure 50 at this point. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is 50. You can make it thick line because the question asks us to construct the polygon. That's the pentagon. And what's our angle P? Our angle P is 100. And QPT. P is in the middle. So P is the angle. Owner of the angle, so it's 100. Put it there and measure 100. This is 90. 100 is here. So, and what is our PT? Our PT is 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. So make it thick that way. That is our T. What is angle T? We have PTS. So our T is in the middle, so T is 120 degrees. So at this point you measure 120 degrees, put it at that point and count 190. This is 90, 100, 110, 120 is here. 120 is here. So it's connected to S. What is our TS? TS and PQ are the same. So TS is also 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Like this. So let's see it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 is here. Like that. Yeah. You don't need to draw double lines. You have to be very careful of drawing double lines. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Like that. So now all you need to do is to join this to the bottom. Like that. So that is the first stage of the question, to draw the given quadrilateral. So the next stage of the question is to now convert the pentagon to a triangle of equal area. How do you do that? You will have seen how to do that in our previous video. So the topmost part of the polygon, you join it to the two base corners here and here. So you join PS to this place. Now if you look at it, if you take P and Q as the two bottom corners of the triangle, and this is R, we take R and T as the middle corners and S as the vertex of the topmost part of the pentagon. Now again, we can say T is by the right and corner T is by the right and corner R is by the left. Now we have drawn this line to this place. You still need to draw it to the other corner, base corner of the triangle. So we now of the polygon. Now we now have this line and this line. So this one is by the right and this is by the left. Now you transfer the right diagonal to the right corner. Transfer the left to the left corner. So that's what we'll do next. So we'll put it like this. I will transfer it to T like this. So we can get, let's start from A. Let's say this is A. Now you transfer this other one. Transfer this other one. The one by the left to the left corner, which is here, like this. So you have this corner, let's say this is B. So you have a diagonal STAP and diagonal SQBR. SQBR. So remember, for the diagonal you have to draw, for the parallelogram you have to draw a diagonal in between. Draw this diagonal here because the question says we should convert it to a triangle of equal area, so you can make this one thick because that will give us one side of the triangle. And for this other one, you also draw the second diagonal, which will be this, like this. So we have a triangle of equal area to be SBA. You can make this one thick because it's part of the base of the triangle. So SBA is the triangle of equal area. So we have been able to solve the pentagon, we have been able to solve the triangle. Now to determine the base and height of the triangle, that is this one. So all you just need to do is to measure the base. Stay here. It's 10, 20, 30, 40. This is 47. Base of triangle equals to 47, and the height, to get the height you have to drop a vertical line. You have to drop a vertical line from the apex of the triangle like this. Take it vertically downward like that. It is meeting it at, let's say, C. So what is the value of the height? Let us see it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. That's 87. 87 mm. That is the height of triangle. So that is the second part of the triangle. We continue the next part in our next video. Thank you for watching.